Okay, so we just landed in LA. This is Paige, by the way. This is one of my best friends. So we're here with Day. If you can't tell all of the stuff in the background, they literally went above and beyond with all the gifting. I can't even begin with all of the stuff. And then you guys, they also brought stuff into the bathroom too. Like, it's just crazy. Anyways, what was I doing? We are a little bit hungry, but we still want to do dinner tonight. So we're gonna do what every single person does whenever they go to California. We're going to Erewhon and literally just touched down. First hour we're here and we're gonna go try the Haley Bieber smoothie because if you guys are lying to me about how good this is, I'm gonna be mad that I wasted like $20 on it. Let's go. And yeah, oh, real quick before I forget, this is literally the reason why we're here. But Day has literally gone above and beyond. One other thing, they brought me all of these little goodies and no brand has ever gone out of the way to like get me gluten-free things before, and like my favorite M&Ms. So I thought this was just the cutest thing ever. Also, these are really, really good. I haven't had them in so long. My Target stopped selling them, which is really rude. But anyways, let's get going. That's really all I have to say. Everything in here is just so freaking cute. They have literally everything, as well as all of their, we're looking at all of like their body care right now, and there's brands that I've only ever seen online. Like, I've never actually seen them. I've never seen them in person before.
That in my mind is that I've never seen half this stuff in person.
Also, everybody keeps asking us where things are, and we don't know where anything is. We don't Erewhon, okay, very often at all. So,
Yeah.
did you try yours yet?
A little bit.
A little bit?
I
Okay.
tried a little bit. Mine's very vanilla.
Vanilla?
Like, there's just a hint of strawberry.
It tastes like ice cream.
I think
To me,
so.
it tastes like an ice cream, like a strawberry fudge sundae, but without the fudge. Like, it literally tastes like ice cream. Like, it's a really, really good smoothie, don't get me wrong.
I think it just tastes like vanilla ice cream with a little bit of strawberry.
I feel like you're just getting coconut cream.
I got.
Maybe not. Maybe not. But it doesn't, I mean, it's good. I'm not gonna lie, it's good. Consistency's pretty good.
I think the consistency's good.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Based on all my personal experience with smoothies.
Yeah.
Probably
out of
like
every
an 8 out
smoothie.
of 10. Every smoothie I've ever had, this is definitely the best one.
That's what I was kind of thinking too. I'm glad though, because I was hoping that people weren't lying to me, and I don't think you guys were lying, so that's good. However, they did say that my name is Yana, Y-A-N-A, Yana. Anyways, I think we're gonna just shop around now. I think this is just like the strip where you just continuously walk. Also, everyone here is like really pretty, and it's kind of scary.
I know.
Everyone's
It's giving me
really
a little
pretty.
Bit of an existential crisis.
No.
Actually.
So we switched locations. We're at the Grove now. It is really loud, so I'm really hoping that I don't get, what is it called? Oh my God, what is it called?
What is what called?
When you get like licensed on, what is it called? Where they copyright me. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm trying not to get copyrighted. So anyways, we're at the Grove. We're trying to find,
At a store of my name.
we're trying to find Paige an outfit for tomorrow because we have that event, as well as I would gladly buy another outfit if I can find something pretty cute. They're really bumping the music in here. It kind of looks like Disney Springs or whatever it's called. Yeah, it's giving Disney. Paige realizing that they only sell one size.
I was like, that is bizarre.
I was like, that's literally why they got canceled in the first place. And she was like, what do you mean it's only one size? And I was like, no, it's literally one size. Anyways, everything here's so tiny. Good morning. I just realized that something was wrong with my color settings. So if the color in the beginning of the video looked off, I finally figured out how to fix it. Anyways, while we're here, we're gonna go to Face Gym because it's attached to the hotel and we actually really gotta get going, but I was trying to figure out the camera settings. But anyways, I don't really know what it is. I just keep seeing it all over my TikTok and it looks really fun. So we're gonna try it out. We had breakfast in bed like you guys saw. This is my outfit. She's pretty simple. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear to the event later today, as well as, oh my goodness, there we go. As well as they did tell us that the event is, oh no, what am I trying to say? Oh, they did tell us to actually come in to their, I guess, like hair studio, and they want us to get our hair done. I just don't know if I want it blown out because I really do like my curly hair. Plus I get my hair cut next week, so it will be blown out again. And I don't know if I want it blown out that much, as well as I think I'm meeting one of kind of my curly girl mutuals online, and I really would love to just like have my curly hair out because I'm sure she's gonna have hers out, and I just like, I don't know. It just feels right. But I think that they said that they can also do dry styles, so maybe I can get them to do something when my hair is curly, like maybe a cute updo or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But do you want to go ahead and go into the face gym thingy?
Oh, are you talking to me now?
Yeah, I realize it's probably hard to keep track of who I'm talking to, but take a water for the road. We have to find it through this like maze of a hotel, because this hotel is literally so confusing, because it's like there's a east tower and a west tower, and I guess the east tower, I don't know, it's like connected underground. Can I do anything right today?
Probably not.
Probably not, no, actually. But yeah, so it's like connected underground, so then basically to get to your room you have to go underground, and then up, and then to get to anything else you have to go underground, and then for something I don't really even know. Okay, let's go. We're done with the face gym, and now we're, oh my god, I'm bouncing all around, but we're on our way to go and get our hair done. I did decide to wear my curly. I diffused it, I would say like 80% maybe, so we're gonna see if they can do anything with it. If not, I'm just gonna let Paige get her hair blown out, and then I'll probably go and find matcha, which could be a fun little adventure, as well as let my hair just air dry for the rest of the day. I just want it to look really good, you know? Anyways, I think we may be running a little late to that, so we're gonna get going. This marks the second Glossier location. The second Glossier location that I've been to, and it's just massive. I didn't realize how big it was. Like the New York version, you know, is smaller.
Warning, lights are flashing.
Hello? Anyways, look how big it is. It's so fun. Okay, the building's just so pink. The hill that we're walking on right now is gonna kick my butt.
Shut up.
I feel rough and I look rough. I think I was just like interacting with so many people last night because we both kind of woke up stuffy, which is a little weird because like we haven't been stuffy this whole trip. But anyways, we are packing up now because we're flying out. I told you guys this was a really quick trip. I didn't talk too much last night, I apologize, but honestly, like meeting Joy and then catching up with Heaven and then hanging out with Paige, like we were just doing a lot. So I'm actually really excited that like I wasn't picking up the camera too much, you know, like I'm glad that I was so excited to be there that I didn't feel the need to. But anyways, packing up. This is the last you will hear from me. I'm trying to make a 47-pound bag not go over 50 with like 10 new things. So wish me luck, because I don't think that's gonna work. But anyways, love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys like this video, then please hit the subscribe button or the like button. It really helps my channel grow and lets me know that you guys enjoy the content I'm making. And if you didn't like this video, let me know down below something that you would like to see so that I can honestly just like make content that makes sense and that you guys like to watch. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.